Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, on the behalf of Rotary International Bhoj City 3040, I, Pinakin Barot, Rotarian Pinakin Barot, and my wife, Mrs. Sheila Barot, we both are presenting this sewing machine to the foster child of Rotary International. We are giving this sewing machine to her. Her name is Afsana Wali Muhammad, and on the behalf of Rotary International Bhoj City 3040, we are presenting this sewing machine to her to help her out in her way to be self-dependent. So I must say you guys to give a big round of applause for this. Thank you. इसको आपने ले ली
वीडियो बंद कर दो सर।
You are still taking the videos. Thank you, sir.